Hi guys, today we are going to learn about recurring decimals to a fractions. So before going for recurring decimals, you should know how to convert into decimals. So if you see question here, it is 5 divided by 6. So we can use long division method like that is 5 and you need to divide it by 6. Yeah. So because 5 is smaller than 6, so you can put point here and 10 here. Put point and 10. Start counting 6 time table. So it will be 6 times 8 is 48. Now 50 take away 48 is 2. Now because point is there, again you can put another 0. Now start counting 6 time table so that you can reach up to 20. So 6 times 3 is 18. We cannot take 6 times 4 is 24 because 24 is more than 20. So 20 take away 18 is 2. Because point is already there, so you can put another 0. So again you are taking 6 times 3 is 18. 20 take away 18 is 2. Point is there, so you can put another 0. So it will be keep on going like this here. So 3 is recurring. So this you can write down 5 by 6 in a recurring decimal. It will be 0.86. Sorry, 0. Let's rub it. So we can write down this 0.8333 and so on, and this we can write down 0.83 and dot on the top of the 3. It means 3 is recurring. Yeah, is that okay? So now let's see another question. If question is like this, convert 4 over 11 to a decimal. So top number numerator is 4 and denominator is 11. So we need to divide it 4 by 11. Yeah. So let's divide it. So we write down here 4 divide by 11. So put point here and 0. So 11 times 3 is 33. 40 take away 33 is 6. Point is already there, so you can put another 0. Now 11 times 5 is 55 and 11 times 6 is 66. Yeah, so this will be 40 take away 33, that will be 7 here. Yeah, so let me clear this. Yes, so 70. 40 take away 33 is 7 because we have put point and here is 0. Now 11 times 6 is 66. Now we are left with 4. Point is there, so you can put another 0. Now 11 times 3 is 33. Again 40 take away 33 is 7. Now point is there, so you can put another 0. And 11 times 6 is 66. So we got 4. So if you see, if you divide 4 by 11, you're getting 0.36, then 36, then 36, and it will keep getting like this. So in this case we are going to write down 0.36 and dot on 3 and dot on 6 as well. So 3636 is repeating again and again. So this is the way we represent answer. Let's go for another question. So here's a question: convert 0.8 dot, it means 8 is recurring, into a fraction. So we always assume, suppose fraction is x, so x is 0.8 and dot. Yeah, 0.8 dot means 0.8, 8, 8 and 8. It will keep coming. Yeah, so what we need to do, we always multiply by either 10, either 100 and 1000. So these are the numbers we need to multiply both sides. So let's multiply by 10. So in this question, if you times by 10 here and here you times by 10, so what happens? 10 times x, it will be 10x, and once you multiply by 10, then this point will move and it will shift one place this side here, right hand side. So it will be 8.8 and we can write down 8.8 dot. Our previous equation was this one, that is x equal to 0.8 dot. So let's write down underneath x equal to 0.8 dot. So here you need to remember one thing. After decimal, things should be same. So see here decimal, it is 0.8. Here after decimal 0.8, so things are same, then it's fine. So now you need to do takeaway both side. 10x take away x and this side. So 10x take away x will be 9x and 8.8. So all these things will be cancelled out and 8 take away 0, it will be 8. So you can write down divide by 9 both sides. So x is 8 over 9. So this will be your answer. X equal to 8 over 9. So if you divide 8 by 9, you will get 0.8 recurring. Let's see another question. So our next question is convert 0.47 dot means recurring, 7 is recurring, into a fraction. Please pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. If you have tried, now you can check your working against my working. So our first thing is x equal to, suppose x is a fraction, then you can write down 0.47 dot. Okay, now it means 0.477777 and keep on repeating. Yeah, now if we multiply by 10 both sides, so let's multiply by 10 here and 10 here. Okay, so here we are getting 10 times x, that is 10x. So once you multiply, so this point is moving one step this side, okay, right side. So it will be 4.7 recurring. Okay, and our first question is, if you see here, let's write down here x equal to 0.47 dot. So if you see in the previous example, I explained after decimal things should be same. Here after decimal it is 7 dot and here after decimal it is 47 dot. So things are not working out. So what we can do, if we multiply it by 100, so if we multiply by 100, okay, so this here it is not working out. Yeah, so I will just leave it. Now if we multiply by 100, so let's rub this. Now we are multiplying by 100. So if we multiply by 100 and 100 both side, so what happen? It will become 100x and it will be 47.7 dot. Yeah, so whether it's working or not, let's cross check. After let's cross check. So after cross checking, if you see 100x equal to 47.7 dot and 10x is 4.7 dot, so this equation is not working. Okay, this equation is not working with this one. Yeah, so we are not going for this, we are going for this one and this one. So we are going to solve these two equations. So let's solve. So first equation is 100x, I'm solving here. 100x equal to 47.7 and 10x equal to 4.7. And what we need to check, after decimal things are same or not. So after decimal it is 7 dot and it is 7.7 recurring, so things are working. Yeah, so let's do it now. Minus both side, so 100x take away 10x, that is 90x, and here this will be cancelled out. 7 take away 4 is 3 and it is 43. Divide by 90 both sides, so we got x is 43 over 90. Can we simplify this? So answer is no, so we can leave this. So our fraction is 43 over 90. So if you divide 43 by 90, you will get 0.47 recurring. Now let's go for another question. So our next question is convert 0.16 recurring in its simplest form. Please pause the video and have a go. Welcome back if you have tried. So let x equal to 0.16 recurring. It means 0.1666 and so on. 6 is recurring. So if we multiply by 10 both sides, so it will be 10x, and this point is moving this side, so it will be 1.6 recurring. Yeah. Now this is 10x. If we 10, if you see, let's write down here. So we have got 10x equal to 1.6 recurring and x equal to 0.16 recurring. So as I told you, after decimal, if you see, here is 0.6 and here is 0.16. So this is not working. So let's multiply by 100. So if we multiply by 100 here, times by 100 and times by 100. So it will be 100x equal to, and point is shifting 2 units this side, so it will be 16.6 recurring. So now we can solve these two equations. 10x, see, after point here it is 6 dot and here it is 0.6 recurring. So we can solve these two equations. Yeah. So let's solve it. 100x equal to 16.6 dot and 10x equal to 1.6 dot, that is recurring. So if you see, after decimal here, this is same 0.6 recurring and 0.6 recurring. So we can easily cancel it out, minus both sides. So this will be cancelled. 100x take away 10x is 90x and 16 take away 1 is 15. Divide by 90 both sides, so 15 over 90, and you can simplify, so it will be 1 over 6. Okay, so this will be your answer. You can check your answer. Now let's go for another question. If you see in this question, it is written, prove algebraically that recurring decimal 0.68 recurring, then 1 recurring can be written as 15 over 22. So in this type of question, whatever answer is, they have already given. So this is your answer, it is already given, so you need to show. That's why they are saying here, prove that if you solve this, then your answer should be 15 over 22. So we will start in the same way. So let x is a fraction and it is 0.681. 8 is recurring and 1 is recurring. Okay, now let's multiply by 10 both sides, so it will be 10x. So once we multiply by 10, so this point is moving this side, so it will be 6.81 and recurring. Okay, now if we multiply by 100, so let's multiply by 100. So I'm multiplying here, multiply by 100. Yeah, so I'm writing here 100 and 100. So it will be 100x and it will be 68.1. Okay, so if you see here, after 8 recurring there is a decimal point here, point after 0.8 is, so it is not matching. I can put it with color, yellow color here. It is 0.81 and it is 0.81. After decimal they are not matching, so it means we are going for 1000 now. So if we multiply by 1000 times by 1000 and here times by 1000, so let's see what happens. So if you multiply by 1000, so it will be 1000x and it will be 681. Okay, 681 and 81 was recurring, so it will be 0.81. Yeah, so this is recurring. So this is the way you can multiply and check. Yeah, now so which equation? So this is our equation finally, 1000x equal to 681.81. So this is our equation after decimal 0.81. So see where 0.81 is coming after decimal, so definitely here it is coming. Yeah, so we are solving this equation and this equation, right? So let's write down here 1000x equal to 681.81. 0.81 recurring, and this equation is 10x is 6.81 recurring. Yeah, and simplify it. So it will be 990x, take away both sides, so this will be cancelled out. Okay, so it will be 5, it will be 7, and it will be 6. So if you simplify, so it will be 675 over 990. Okay, our fraction is 675 over 90, and we need to simplify. But if you go back and check, our answer should be 15 over 22, but it is not coming, so we need to simplify. So if we divide by 3 both sides, so let's divide by 3 both sides. So if you divide by 3 both sides, so it will be 330, and 675 divided by 3, it will be 225. Now again you can divide by 5, so it will be 45 over 66. Now divide by 3, so it will be 15 over 22. So here we got x equal to 15 over 22. So this is the way we solve it here. Now let's go for another question, and make sure for every question you will need to pause the video, show your working. If you're not getting answer, you can check your working against my working, and in this way you will learn it. So this question 7, it is similar to the previous question, and here they are asking, prove algebraically that the recurring decimal 0.1 recurring 1 2 6, where 1 and 6 are recurring, can be written as 14 over 11. So as usual, this is your answer, so it is given. So let's start our working. Let x is 0.126, where 6 is recurring and 1 is recurring. Yeah, so it means what? It means 0.126, then again 126, and it will keep coming like that. Yeah, so let's multiply by 10x first here. So if you multiply by 10x, so it will be 1.26. so this and this will be your answer, so which is not working, I hope so. So let's go for 1000. Okay, so let's go for 1000. If we multiply by 1000, if we multiply by 100, let's go for 100 first here. So 100x, so it will be 126, point will be shifting here, and this point will be here. Okay, now if we multiply by 1000, so 1000x, and it will be 126 dot 0.126 recurring. Yeah, so this is what we are getting. So let's see after decimal where it is same. Yeah, so let's select the yellow color. After decimal it is 0.126, where 6 and 1 is having dot, and here it is x. So in this case we are solving this equation and this equation, right? So let's write down here 1000x equal to 126 dot 126, where 6 is recurring and 1 is recurring, right? Now what is x? X is this one. So x is 0.1 dot 26. Okay, so let's simplify this. Minus and minus cancelled out. Yeah, so this whole thing is cancelled out. 1000x minus x, that is 999x, and it will be 126. Okay, so you can write down x equal to 126 over 999. Yeah, if you divide by 9 both sides, so it will be 14 over 111. That will be your answer. Yeah, now let's go for another question. So next subtopic which we are going to learn today, how to calculate percentage error or percentage increase or percentage decrease here. So let's understand this with the example. Suppose this is a person and his name is, let's say, Govin, and his weight is 40 kg. Okay, after eating this pizza, okay, so this is pizza which Govin likes, so his weight is increased by 2 kg, so his new weight is 42 kg. So how much is the percentage increase? So I'm just putting here percentage increase. So percentage increase, change. So change is from 40 to 42, that is difference. Difference, so let's write down here. Difference divided by original value and times by 100. This is the formula which we are going to use in percentage increase, difference over original into 100. Yeah, so let's solve this question. So here it is. What is difference? 42 take away 40, that is 2. Original weight was 40, and you, because we need to calculate in percentage, so you times by 100. So what happened? This top zeros and bottom zero is cancelled out. 2 times 10, multiply top number. So 2 times 10 is 20 divided by 4. So we got 5% increase. Yeah, is that okay? So same question, if we want, here is another guy. Yes, so let's write his name Krishan or Krishna, and his weight is 40 kg. Okay, he was fasting and he did not get any pizza, so I'm cancelling this pizza, and his weight has reduced by 38 kg. So what will be the percentage decrease? Because weight is decreasing, so here we are writing percentage decrease. So percentage decrease, now change. So 40 take away 32, don't go for minus because we have already written decrease. So 40 take away 38, that is 2. Original weight, that is 40, and you times by 100. Yeah, so 2 over 40 times by 100. So top zeros cancel by bottom zero. So 2 times 10 is 20 and divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 is again 5%. So in this case, here this 5% is decrease, and in this case this 5% is increase. So you can see how good this formula is. Percentage decrease, that is difference upon original value times 100, and here percentage increase, difference upon original into 100. Yeah, let's do some practice question. So here are two practice question, question 1 and question 2. Please pause the video and have a go, and then you can check your working against my working. Please start. Welcome back if you have tried. So here percentage increase. If you see, the difference is 90 take away 80, it is 10. Original value was 80 times by 100. Yeah, so you can cancel top zeros by bottom zero. There's nothing, suppose here 1. So 10 times 10 is 100, divide by 8, simplify. Half of 100 is 50 over 4, 25 over 2, that is 12.5%. Yeah, now let's see here. Here difference is again 2. Original value was 10 and times by 100. So top 0 cancel by bottom 0, and 2 times 10 is 20%. So here it is decrease and here it is increase. Yeah. So guys, I hope you have learned recurring decimal fractions and percentage increase and decrease and percentage error. Hope this is going to help for your test. Thanks for watching Genius Making Machine GCSE and A-Level Maths. If you have really liked the videos, please leave your comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.